We about to get in there, dig in this food. We got it. It came through. We finna see. We got spices. We gonna see. He won't let me put him in, but he finna eat too. She here. She already eating on us. Let's see what it do. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what it tastes like. I'm feeling a cucumber. Alex, what you do?
He walked out, bro.
Thank you, baby.
It definitely got a kick to it, boo. This is good.
Yeah.
Yes. It's so good. You don't want none? You not about Blove life? This is good, people. You have to get it. You ain't gonna be able to enjoy it if you holding your phone the entire time. Why you messing up my video on hate?
That's live.
Why? You got to walk on.
I just don't want my shirt on now.
Your shirt on there. It's not live. I'm videoing. Damn. Damn, they messing up my video. Cause I'm trying to get these coins. These folks, that girl make. You know how much she make?
Edit these.
You are? You know how much she make? Cause she got so many videos out that, like, I calculate like 9,000. One video. How many videos she got out? Man, we been being
Man, crack open the crab.
video. Okay, we're gonna show you what these eggs is like.
I already know how to edit this. Oh, yeah, y'all knew this.
You know what, Naya? Get out. Don't talk no more while I got my video on. Because you a hater. She's such a hater. I already know what this say like this. Say, well, we don't.
Hey, no.
Okay. I'm going to put y'all down for a minute. Let me make sure he's not in the video. Alex! Come here. Now.
And you're not even recording correctly.
It don't. I am recording correctly.
not.
How am I supposed to be recording?
Sideways.
Huh?
Sideways.
So you can get there.
I can edit it sideways. See, I got every app in the world. I record everything.
Well, that's your problem. You edit it sideways, so you ain't got to edit that much.
Well, I put it this way because this is what I can hold it up in. Give me a chair so I can put it right here so I can record me eating.
I'll show you how to record.
You ain't gonna show me nothing because you ain't doing that. You a wimp. You a wimp. You a wimp.
No, say she pop. Say she pop.
You on here capping.
No, say she pop.
Ooh, look at my bed. That.
Snap.
No, you gotta turn my way. Come.
Oh.
There we go. But we in this thing like what with the Be Loveless. And what we got in here? We got some oh, we forgot to do our thing. We forgot to do this and them.
Okay. I don't know stuff that up.
Nah. We got.
Go, you doing too much.
We gotta do our thumbnail.
Do your thumbnail.
My who?
Your thumbnail.
Yeah, that ain't what you said at first. We gotta do our thumbnail. Don't mind these fingers y'all see right here. This is the man of the hour. He be paying the bills and let us eat the thrills. Woo! So he just let us do what we want to do. We know we crazy.
I'm not.
Cause she don't even know how to do this. See, I am the pro. I got to show how you gotta talk and eat at the same time.
First off, sweetheart.
You wouldn't even be
if it wasn't for me.
Now, take your picture. Take your picture.
This is what I be talking about.
You gotta take your picture. You take your picture. Okay.
By the time y'all finished talking, I'm being the tooth to everything in him.
Yeah. Okay.
By that time, I'm being ate everything.
You just sound so sad.
Yeah. I sound
So,
good.
How you like your sauce?
Sounds good. I know I'm going to just put all my crab in there and then eat it with a fork.
Yeah, that sounds smart.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's fact. That's fact.
It's really good. Oh, Alex! I forgot we got some of that You gonna put them 2 times in yours?
Yeah, no.
Ain't nobody.
It's already hot. I'm gonna have to look. Now I gotta put the little bleeper in my stuff that's disgusting.
Now they got it too
I
hot.
cook.
I cook. Hell no, this is too hot.
So yeah, Alex, bring me the 2 times. We got the little one in the back. He don't want to participate in the seafood mukbang. Is that what it's called?
Mukbang.
Mukbang. What's it called, babe?
Y'all start this.
I may do.
Y'all start this.
I may do my family questions. I'm not asked for sure yet.
Can y'all see that?
So yeah, just
I don't want none of that.
First, I'm hungry.
I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's that 2 times.
Like I'm hungry.
Give shout out to my mama because I had to go to the doctor, so she had did up the sauce. Woo, baby. Ooh, it's pretty. It's already hot.
Mama got it hot. Mama got it hot.
Did I put 1 drop already?
I don't know, but your mouth finna be burning, sweetheart.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I just put 1 drop.
Oh, you think just cause you put 1 drop that's gonna save you? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sweetheart. Okay.
You go ahead and go. What was I looking for? What are lemons?
Over there by Mr. Justin, more than likely.
Yeah. Lemons on the way.
Dang, you gonna sit right here. That's how they gonna fall off. Cause I'm
finna get them, child.
I'm about to see that.
Yeah, y'all see all this right here. Next time I'm gonna be like this, eating that crab. Woo, y'all saw that thing suck in. Woo, okay. Woo.
Nah, I'm be doing too much.
You been doing too much. Okay.
Not for it though. Peace out. First question is for mother. Wait, how many we get of these? Just 1?
Anybody else in here? So we had, baby. 2 people. We need 6 in there. Thank you, baby.
Ooh.
That's a lot. I like cream crab.
Very good. Baby. Yeah. Oh, that was good. It's gonna hurt. I didn't think them things hurt my fingers. I don't know how people do it.
See, you too. This joint hurt my fingers too, but.
Ooh, I put that 2 times up in that sucker.
What you get?
I think I ain't stir it up or something. Man, that's good though. Did you just eat my crab? Yes, you. Ooh, shit. I mean, stuff.
Shit hot. That's a crab meat.
Actually, yeah, it is hot.
Man,
That's
okay.
good though.
I want to do the who's most likely. Okay, first question. Who's most likely to clean the dishes, but not clean them all the way? Oh,
y'all got to excuse our lamp without no lampshades in the back. You know. Oh, thank you, baby. Look at that, y'all. Look at that.
You're too crispy for me. I mean, not. Wait, is that the word you use?
Yes.
Or bougie?
Bougie.
I'm not bougie nothing. I just don't know how to. That stuff hurt my finger. Oh, damn. Oh, that's so good. Ooh. Yeah, that's good. Man, let me tell you something. This is how we gonna eat crab legs from now on. Okay?
King crab.
Mm-hmm.
I've been told you that. You said, I don't like king crab.
Because they hurt my fingers.
That's hot.
That's just ain't no joke, baby. How many of you ate them king crabs?
I only had 1. Why? What's up?
Yeah, you do. We doing it on a budget. We only can get 6 of them things.
Okay. I think Lady just said they look so good.
Then
What's up? Hi, Fat. Hi. Hi, you gonna say hi to everybody? Huh?
That is
He's
hot.
the best ever. I'm gonna have to edit him in some LSU stuff though. He's
My
an
mouth
old
hot.
Tide fan. I said old Tide. I want you to zoom in when I do that one. Old Tide.
Listen, that.
Okay, so I was thinking that we could do weekly. We should start doing these little type things. So we're gonna sit up there.
We can't do weekly. Maybe like once a month.
You have to do so many. You have to have so many things.
Once a month for the mukbangs, and in
you
between,
need to do crawfish too.
Oh yeah, the conversation here.
and in
Yeah.
between, in between, we do other things like pranks, challenges, family things, stuff like that.
Do some of that, guys.
Why would you say that?
God dang. Look at that guy. First.
Why would you say that?
So many eggs.
Who you talking about, Mama?
Us, we finna have gas.
I don't.
These cucumbers are good too.
Shoot.
Like, everything is delicious with this sauce. Like, I should try it with like fish, fried fish. Ooh, the salmon. Ooh, I bet you so good with the salmon.
Bless you.
Mm-hmm. Y'all want it, but y'all sure ain't be LSU this year. Now what?
Yeah, like you every other year, what then?
Now in 2003?
No.
Now what?
That's coming.
And we had who then in 2003? Who do we have as our coach? Only reason why y'all winning now is because we gave y'all Nick Saban. Sound that.
Y'all didn't give us anything.
We gave y'all.
And they say
We-
12.5.
Well, whatever. Y'all paid for him.
12.4
He,
million.
y'all paid for him. Y'all bought him. That's all. Let me eat your damn crabs. I'm eating food right now. I bet you know that song. I'm good. I'm gonna dig it back in there something. Who would have thought it? Cucumbers
And salt.
in sauce is
Cucumber.
good.
And
I mean, it's really good.
really, really good.
I can eat this. So like when I go on my true diet, so I can get this weight off from me,
I'm done.
I'm gonna eat cucumbers. That's
Oh,
all.
you know.
I'm full.
I am too. Man, I'm so stuffed.
I ain't gonna find
From 1 to 10, how good is we love something?
I gave it a 9. I give it a 9. It's good. It's good.
Mm, 10.
I give it a 10.
Oh, I'm gonna give no. I'm gonna go over the 10 if I didn't have to do nothing, but just put it and warm it up. But you still gotta put everything together. Like if she just did it like this and then just I had to
just
warm
pour
it
it
up.
up,
Yeah, 10 definitely then. I ain't gonna. But it's good though. Definitely good.
Definitely good. It's good.
Oh, I got school tomorrow. Come on, we need to wrap this up.
But y'all gonna crack that? Cause it ain't gonna be good
Ooh,
tomorrow.
look at all that belly. Look at all that belly. Look at all that belly.
No,
I'm breaking out.
So, this is what we have left. We don't know.
We just got a whole bunch of shrimp. We got like 2 eggs left. We got a corn left, some potato. Well, I think that's like a 1 big old potato. We got some snow crabs, some cucumbers. And that big king crab.
Because we really not supposed to edit, huh? Are you supposed to edit?
I mean,
everybody, Eddie.
Oh, so
I'm gonna have to edit. I'm gonna have to edit it because you can get demonetized for cuss words.
Yeah. I just know.
Oh, that means you going to get fined?
No, you
What is
just like
demonetize mean I don't get no money, right?
Demonetized. Do y'all want to pray this or not?
depending on
This is the last one. And my baby who's going to be off camera is going.
How much do you want? You spent $200?
Hell no, who the hell we get $200 from?
Oh.
I spent $50.76 at Cool's. What's the name of that?
If that's all it costs, we can do this shit all the time.
Where that thing at?
$50, $60.
Remember what we went to? Ooh, I want that.
That's what I want.
No.
Why you think I'm doing this?
Hey, maybe Naya should get the biggest one because
Maybe
like,
Naya. Shit, no.
I'm the one who
I'm the one doing the work.
all of this.
Oh, what is
I want my own knuckle. Forget it.
That's not even a knuckle.
this? Ain't no knuckle.
Oh, what did it? Oh wait, that ain't no knuckle.
This a claw.
No, you need to go. This is something.
Yes, you can get it.
I don't want that.
Oh, you
Four? What?
Wow.
You did not. Just turned out
No
crabby.
for me.
Ooh, look at that, baby.
But I don't want that small. I want one of those.
Give me
But
that.
I don't want to crank it.
Let me see that.
This shit work. You see?
That's why she
No,
ate
I
the
mean-
crab.
Damn.
That's why she ate the
So,
crab.
how you gonna snitch on your own mama?
Like,
Cause y'all
Get
did,
that.
y'all
No, babe,
not cranking
let me
my
see it.
crab.
you just
Let me
gotta-
see it.
I'll give you a piece.
No, let me see it.
No, you.
Well, it was on mukbang. Quita and me. Oh, that ain't it. Quita and them kids. And the big man hands.
Who came up with this name?
Oh no! Quita and me and the big man hand.
Yeah.
Who can't, baby? Did you think of that by yourself,
I
baby?
just
You
did it
did
right
a
now.
great job. Great
You
job.
need a thump to the head.
Alright.
What?
Quita and me and the big man hands. Alright. Yes.
No, it's gonna be Quita and them kids.
I want
And the
an
big
intro
man
like
hands.
this.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Y'all want the Quita and me and the big man kids. It was good. It was great. Be love. Awesome. We will definitely be contributing more to your seasoning. Yes, because it was really
Yeah, I
good.
probably part and give him a stamina. Oh, my phone.
I'm doing my closing statement, and you want to do is show them
I
mukbang.
just said I'm full, didn't I?
Girl, I throw this day. I will put all this sauce in your face. Now go ahead and peace, love, soul. Peace, love, mukbang. Yep.
Signing off. Bye bye. Signing off.
From Quita and them kids. And that big man with them hands. Signing off.
That's a good idea.
Like, subscribe. We don't care. Comment below. I don't care what you got to say. We don't care. I don't care. Do what you do. Share. What else I got to say? Like, hit this button over there, or that button over there, or wherever she put these buttons in when we edit. Where you gonna put it at? Over there? Over there? Back there? Wherever she put it at. Like, subscribe. Like, subscribe, and share. Quit at them kids in the big man hands. Mukbang 1. And we out.
And we out.
You gonna turn it off?